Sawubona, you beautiful visionary. I am Thembi Buthelezi, Chief Visionary Officer at Future Gen Leaders and the founder of the Future Gen Leaders Foundation. And welcome to Financially Empowered. Welcome, welcome to Financially Empowered. Most of us have such guilt, such shame, such anger, such resentment around the topic of money. When the topic of money comes to you, you're like, I heard one girl, I used to work in a call center here in America. It was the best job of my life. It really was the best job of my life. I used to sell cruises when I was working for this call center. And this woman, oh, here I am with my stories. This is amazing. I love telling stories. So this woman, it was the first time I'd ever heard somebody say this term. I get real funny with my money, child. I get real funny with my money. Apparently, there was this rumor that was going around that said that, we weren't going to get paid on time. Or, if you didn't put in your timesheet in time, you weren't going to get paid, and then you'd have to wait till the next period. This woman, she got real mad. She went up there. She was like, no, I get real funny with my money, child. Real funny with my money. I said, ooh, people can get real funny with their money, child. Because everybody has a deep, visceral experience with money. Everybody has had money pain. Oh my God, everybody has had money pain. Everybody has had money shame. Everybody has had money guilt. Everybody has had money terror. Everybody has had money joy. Ooh, money. Money gonna make you crazy, child. That is my saying. Money gonna make you crazy, child. Honestly, money gonna make you mad. So I have to be very gentle. So I'm going to tell stories that are funny so that I don't want us to get sad talking about money. Everybody gets sad when they talk about money. They get fearful when they talk about money. They get stressed out when they talk about money cannot have power over you. If it's a dollar bill and it's outside of you, it should never have power over you. The financial empowerment means it's the power inside of you to do something. Not when somebody calls you about your bills, you start fretting. That is something outside of you doing something to you, right? So over the next 9 modules, we'll move from money anxiety to money confidence.